So guys, for the making of our cargo pockets, I have cut out 3 pieces of fabric. Okay, so this will be for the top of the pockets, the cover, and then we have the pockets, which is the down parts. So the length is what I'm taking now, and it is 10 inches, while the width is 16 inches. Okay, so this is for the down portion of the pockets. It is 16 inches. I also have the cover, which is the upper portion of the pockets, and I have 10 inches for the width and then 4 inches for the length. Okay, so for the side of the pocket, okay, this piece of fabric is what's going to form the side. It is 32 inches of length, while the width is 3 inches, or rather the width is 32 inches and the length is 3 inches. So first, what I'm doing now is I'm folding the down pocket fabric into 2, as you see me do right now, and I am ironing it. So after ironing, you can see me taking a measurement there of 3 inches. I will do this for both sides of that gaiter you see at the middle. So the measurement is going to be 3 inches, and I'm also folding it as you're seeing me doing right now, and I also went ahead to iron it. So I've done for one side now, and then also for the other side I would also fold and iron as well. So after I was done, I'll go ahead now to make my foldings, but first I'm simply making a notch at the top portion there. Okay, so please ensure to do this so you will not make a mistake when making your kissy pleat. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm folding it back to the middle portion. Okay, so I'll fold that portion there, that gaiter, to the middle gaiter, the middle line that you are seeing there. All right, so this is what we call the kissy pleats, because it is coming together at the middle. It is called the kissy pleat, and I'm simply holding it in place using my pins right now. So I also went ahead to iron it out. Okay, so I would also be holding the down portion using my pin as well. So this is what the front is looking like. The folding is visible at the back side, while the front is the one that has the covering there, which is what you're seeing. Okay, so after having done that, I have this piece of fabric now that I'm going to be using to form the sides of this down pockets portion. So first, what I'm going to do now is to fold 5 inches of the border, one border of this fabric, as you see me do right now, and I'll go ahead to iron that folding so that it will be in place. Okay, so ensure to do this because that is the portion we are going to be stitching on our pants trouser. So please take note of this. We folded it inward towards the back of the fabric, or the wrong side of the fabric. This is what we're going to be using. So this is the front side. We place it on the front pattern as well. And so we're going to be holding it by half an inch. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to pin, place using my pins. Okay, you could do this if you are a beginner, so this is just for illustration purpose. So you can see the angle there. Okay, the angle, 2 angles of the pocket area. So you can see what I'm doing on one side now, the way I folded it. So this is what it will look like when you make that fold. So you must do this before pinning it down. Ensure it is properly aligned at that bottom there. So I would also go ahead to hold that portion using my pins. Okay, so having done that now, I would also be pinning it all the way through to the other angle. So I repeated the same process for that angle as well. And then I took it all the way to the top portion. So after I was done, you can see me opening it up. That is what it will look like. I'll go ahead now to stitch on my machine. Okay, so you could make a notch around the angle portion there before stitching. So this is what it is looking like after I was done. So you can see me making a notch now. You could do this before stitching or after stitching. Okay, so this is what our pocket, cargo pocket, is already looking like. We are not done yet, so I'm simply folding it to the right side, as you can see. So after folding, I'm going to be running a top stitch around that portion I'm indicating with my fingers by 0.2 inches. So this is what it is looking like after I was done stitching. Okay, so you can see the way it is having that shape, all right, of a cargo pocket. So at the top portion of this pocket fabric, I am folding it downward or folding it inward twice, and then I'll go ahead to run my stitches on it on my sewing machine. So first I'm simply ironing it so it will be in place properly. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to stitch, and this is what we have after I was done stitching. You can see it is already having the shape of a pocket. Very beautiful and neatly done, and the fabric is actually beautiful also. So we'll be setting this aside now to work on the pocket cover. Okay, so this piece of fabric, which is two double, is what we are going to be using to make our pocket cover. So what I'm simply doing now is marking the portion where I will be running my stitches. So I am taking a measurement of 1/2 inch. Okay, so I'll do this for both sides and the bottom portion. Okay, so it will have like a rectangular shape, but will not be stitching the top portion. That portion will be open there, so we can flip it over to the right side. So this is one pattern. Okay, so this is just a four corner shape or a rectangular shape. The next one you can also do, an adjustment you can make to this, is to make a short angle or a short line there, as you see me do with my straight rule now. Okay, so you can also do this pattern, draft this pattern. So I'll go ahead now to run my stitches on that portion I am indicating with my finger. Okay, so after I was done, I'm simply trimming out the excess fabric, and then I'll go ahead to flip it over to the right side. So after that, I also went ahead to iron out my fabric. So this is what it is looking like, very flat and looking neat. So I'll go ahead to roll my top stitch around the portion I'm also indicating with my finger like we did to the top portion. So this is what we have after I was done. This video is very short and simple. I hope you enjoyed it. So in my next video, I'll be sharing with us on how to sew a cargo pants where we'll be attaching our cargo pockets. So guys, thank you so much. Kindly hit the subscribe button and I'll be seeing you on the next one.